How to deactivate Facebook account. If any day you're a Facebook user and you're bored of using your Facebook account and you would like to deactivate from Facebook but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the very Facebook application on your mobile device and then tap on it. After that, you have to go to your profile like icon on the right side and then go to the option of settings and privacy like this. Now you have to tap on the option of settings. After you tap on the option of settings, you can see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, now you have to go to the option of the personal details and then you have to just scroll down, and after scrolling down, now you have to go to the next option, that is your information and permissions. You can either go to the option of your information or permissions or also tap on accounts like this to see all of those and tap on personal details. After that, you have to tap on account ownership and then you can see the option of deactivation here. Now you can deactivate or delete your option by just tapping on your account like this and then tapping on the deactivate your account, and this way you'll be deactivated from your Facebook. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.